Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate ZoomInfo with Salesforce. First, log into ZoomInfo, navigate to Integrations and click Connect on the Salesforce tile. Choose Production or Sandbox. Authenticate by signing into Salesforce when prompted. Ensure pop-up blockers are disabled and your account has API access. In ZoomInfo's admin portal, configure user mapping, service accounts versus users account to match ZoomInfo users with Salesforce users. Here, set export preferences, choose which objects to sync, accounts, contacts, leads, and define records limits next export. Map ZoomInfo fields to Salesforce fields, e.g. position, company size, and set update behaviors, override, or complete if missing. Finally, install the optional App Exchange package or Lightning component in Salesforce. Test with simple records using data enrichment and train users for embedded access. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.